Welcome to this executive overview of Evolve FM, the right-sized facility management platform. Evolve FM offers enterprise-grade space, asset, and maintenance management without the cost and complexity of traditional IWMS systems, effectively bridging the gap between how buildings are designed and how they are actually operated. Evolve FM is the alternative to either relying on manual, siloed tools or dealing with the burden of over-engineered, expensive legacy systems. It provides a practical, integrated suite designed specifically for facility professionals that is fast to implement and easy to use. Facility managers typically look for three core functions: managing space and assets, maintenance operations, and moves and planning. Evolve FM unifies these capabilities into one platform, specifically built for office managers, facility directors, space planners, and maintenance staff. The Evolve Spatial Data Hierarchy keeps your business organized. By mapping everything from the property and building down to the floor, space, occupants, and assets, you create a structure where reporting and root cause analysis become automatic and easy to understand. Drawings act as the visual command center in Evolve FM. Through themes and layers, you can instantly color code spaces, toggle CAD layers, and generate reports. You can even use click-and-drop operations to relocate personnel or right-click to trigger service requests directly from the floor plan. Evolve FM brings any floor plan to life. Whether you are using high-fidelity files from Revit or AutoCAD, or low-fidelity inputs like PDFs and hand sketches, the Evolve Composer module turns them into interactive, clickable, intelligent drawings ready for your daily operations. For comprehensive space and asset management, Evolve uses a clear classification logic across three distinct tiers. You can control data, track space usage for cost recovery, use templates to spawn multiple assets with maintenance schedules, and utilize mobile-ready scanning for instant identification. The platform supports an interconnected workplace. By defining services and dependent components, you can trace the root cause of infrastructure failures. You immediately see every dependent asset and space affected, which simplifies your diagnostics and accelerates problem resolution. Evolve FM includes comprehensive maintenance tools for both demand and preventative tasks. Its processing hub features a drag-and-drop calendar that matches technician skill sets against work order requirements, allowing for efficient scheduling and color-coded assignments. Orchestrating moves is simple with Evolve's digital whiteboard. The process moves from requests to project sequencing, and finally to the Move Planner, an interactive environment where you can test what-if scenarios by clicking and dropping individuals or entire departments onto floor plans. Empower your agile workforce with integrated space scheduling and location services. Employees can query available spaces, book desks, or rooms via a visual calendar, and use the Finder tool to locate people, places, or assets directly from your corporate intranet. Evolve FM offers enterprise integration to connect your existing silos. The Evolve Data Broker automatically synchronizes occupant data with your HR systems and IT records, while Enterprise Foundations ensure seamless access via single sign-on and secure sharing with external contractors. True digital agility means full access from any device, anywhere. Evolve FM is delivered entirely via a browser with no apps to install. Whether you choose cloud-hosted SaaS or self-hosted, your team can access Evolve on phones, tablets, or desktops. Choose the configuration that fits your needs. Evolve Essentials covers basic facility management requirements for companies on tight budgets. Evolve Pro adds advanced operational capabilities and a choice of specialized modules, while Evolve Ultimate provides the complete enterprise feature set. Evolve FM delivers powerful operations with a practical deployment. It offers platform independence, the ability to leverage your existing data, and a right-sized ROI, helping you move away from costly legacy systems and ineffective manual tools. To get more information about Evolve FM, visit our website or contact us via phone or email.